Here I have KRUGER MATZ Move 9, and today I'm going to show you how to enable portable hotspot on this device. So firstly you have to open your settings, then go to the network and internet, hotspot and tethering, Wi-Fi hotspot. Here you can turn it on. You can also change its name here, its security protocol. You can change its password. Also you can change some other settings in the advanced, like turn off hotspot automatically if no one is connected. You can also reset its OOB and set the maximum amount of connections. And you can also switch Wi-Fi hotspot here at the upper bar. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.